All right, so this is what comes in one Magna bar. Usually they have 4 in a pack, and it comes with 2 of those brackets per each Magna bar and the actual Magna bar. As you can see on the front, it says front and up. That is how the Magna bar is supposed to be facing whenever you're putting on the brackets. The brackets look just like this, and they're pretty simple. They slide on. So this one right here, see how it faces? It has a clip here and then a clip here. This L needs to be placed on the end of the bar. It has to be loose. The screws have to be loose for it to be able to fit. This is adjustable. I usually pull them all down so that way they're all the same length, and then I'll bring it to where it hangs off the edge just a little bit, because this bar is supposed to fit the 4-foot section, and then this prong right here in this will side into the shelf, into the slits, kind of like the flex wall does. You tighten them up, tighten up one side, and then put the other side on same way. As you can see, it's got the bracket facing in same way. So put it on the other side, do that, and then I let this one, I tighten it but let it be a little bit loose so it can be adjustable, and then you put it up on the shelf, and then you're able to tighten it 100%. Again, make sure that it's pressed all the way down, and then once you're done, there are pegs, and the pegs go in these holes. You can put them in any holes that you want, adjust them for the size of the set.